Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Tuesday's Daily Financial Digest.
Dogecoin trading over the weekend saw the Shiba Inu-themed meme coin reach a market capitalization of over $10 billion, add over 90% in value over the past week, and become one of the largest liquidators among futures that track crypto majors. Mexican state oil firm Pemex recorded a 30% monthly jump in crude exports in September from the prior month, boosted by soaring demand from Europe and Asia following Russia's invasion of Ukraine. Global population is growing by over 70 million per year, with 80% of that growth concentrated in the poorest countries least equipped to feed, educate or employ these additional people. The dollar rose 0.6% against the yen in the last trading session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar pair dove 1.1% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 1% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the gold fall 0.6% against the dollar. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. Germany's import price index will be released at 0700 hours GMT, the Dutch market manufacturing PMI at 0800 hours GMT, Japan's BOJ monetary policy meeting minutes at 2350 GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank manufacturing PMI will be released at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT. The US ISM Manufacturing Employment Index at 1400 hours GMT. Australia's RBA rate statement at 3:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.